What's going on, guys? It's Park Visions, and this is update number 6 coming from Park Visions for Iron Menace, and this one is the best one yet. The steel track has arrived at Dorney Park early in the morning on Thursday, coming from steel fabricators in Batavia, Ohio, doing a 5-mile journey to get to Dorney Park to have the early morning delivery for the Iron Menace track that will be used for the station. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any other updates from Park Fitness. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys a clip of the track arriving at Dorney Park early in the morning on Thursday. I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more Iron Menace update videos.